Hey guys, hope you're doing really well and hope you're having an amazing day. For today's video, we're going to do a recipe that has gone pretty viral on TikTok. So this is the Gordan Ramsay viral bacon jam and eggs video. But this recipe was first seen in Top Chef season 6 when I saw it about 15 years ago. And this recipe actually originated in the southern part of the United States. And this smoky, salty, sweet jam is awesome when eaten on crispy toast with some creamy eggs or some avocado. Let's make this recipe. The first thing you want to do is slice the shallots, the onions, and your smoked bacon. In a cold pan, add your smoked bacon and render out your fat till your bacon is nice and crispy. Once it's crispy, take out your bacon and drop in the shallots and the white onions. Saute it for a while, add your brown sugar and let your brown sugar melt. Once your sugar has melted, add your bourbon, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar or sherry vinegar, corn syrup, some bay leaves and some allspice, and some cherry flavored Coca-Cola along with your crispy smoked bacon. Now let this reduce into a nice syrup-like consistency, and this will thicken when it's cold. Toast your bread till it's nice and golden brown with some nice salted butter. Scramble your eggs with some butter and some creme fraiche till you have a nice creamy consistency. Take your buttery toast, pop on your bacon jam, and then that beautiful creamy eggs. You could also add some avocado, or if you want to be fancy, you could also top it up with some caviar, which goes really well with the bacon and the creamy eggs. Add in some greens for some garnish, and finish off with some sea salt. And there you have it. Bacon jam on toast with creamy eggs. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for many more to come. This is me signing off. Bon appetit.